This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maria Dominguez. Most coveted/desirable neighborhood in South Miami. Centrally located, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home features an amazing floor plan west/Great Bones and sizable entertainment areas. Foyer leads to the spacious formal living room, formal dining room and bright/light open family room that overlooks the pool and lush yard. The large 13,000 square feet corner lot is fully fenced and landscaped to provide total privacy. The home has many upgrades including all hurricane impact glass windows and doors, beautiful custom double front doors, freshly painted exterior, new water heater, AC, and west/D. New modern plantation shutters in all the bedrooms. Primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom has 2 walk-in closets and French doors that open to the pool. Circular driveway and 2-car garage provide ample parking. For more information, review the details below.